I'm standing aboard the all-new 46 Yacht Power Catamaran by Aquila. Come join me as I walk you through my top 5 features of this boat and why you don't want to miss your opportunity to step aboard the all-new Aquila 46. My favorite first feature aboard the 46 Yacht Power Catamaran by Aquila is just the design. So the engineering team, along with VPLP Design, who's a famous naval architecture firm out of France, designed this boat, but you're going to see the Explorer aesthetic. But then also she's foil capable, so she's very efficient underwater. And then if you do want to improve your range and efficiency, you can certainly add on the foil capability on board this boat. By far, one of my favorite first features on board the 46 Yacht. Number 2 favorite feature on board the 46 Yacht is just the flow from the aft cockpit into the galley and the salon area. Obviously, one of our key features on board is our bar top area that folds down, which allows you to connect your aft cockpit to your galley or bar top area, and then your galley and your salon. Lastly, while we're talking about the galley, is just the flow in here, the setup. It's a very nice U-shaped galley. So you have a lot of features that you can add into this platform aboard the 46 Yacht. My third favorite feature is obviously the master stateroom on here, or the primary cabin. So full beam, you have 2 steps down into each sponson. So just a very, very nice layout here, king size bed. So just from the plethora of space that you have in your cabins, as well as the different cabin configurations, is certainly my top 3. Follow me, we're going to take a look at my 4th favorite feature on board. My 4th favorite feature on board the 46 Yacht is the social zones. I'm standing up here in the bow, and this social zone is just one of many on board. But up here in this garden area, we've got multi-position backrests or loungers. We've got a bench seat up here. It's a fantastic area for a social zone, whether you're at anchor or underway. On each bow, you also have dolphin seats for adults or kids. Just a great place to sit. Hopefully catch some dolphins. By far, 4th favorite feature on board the 46 Yacht is all the social zones on board. So follow me, we're going to take a look at my 5th and final favorite feature on board. The 5th standout feature aboard the 46 Yacht is obviously the fly bridge. Stepping up here with the asymmetrical stairs off to the starboard side really allows us to take full advantage of all the square footage up here on the fly bridge. So class leading in space on the fly bridge, but take a look at this helm area, clear line of sight 360 around the boat entirely, but then all the seating and entertainment space that you have up here, as well as the summer kitchen and options for barbecue or fridge or ice maker, just really make this an entertainment platform that you can't miss. Thank you for joining me aboard and taking a look at my 5 favorite features on the 46 Yacht by Aquila. If you want to learn more about the 46 Yacht, please visit one of your many MarineMax stores around the country, or you can find us online at MarineMax.com or AquilaBoats.com. Thank you for your time and look forward to seeing you on the water.